What's up everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how this part of Sinchubalia looks and some parts of Kunkujang, the Gambia in rainy season in the year 2025. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start walking around here in Sinchubalia and some parts of Kunkujang. I'll show you guys how it looks here in rainy season in the year 2025. So guys, as you guys can see, currently I'm in Sinchubalia walking towards Kunkujang. Yeah. Guys, this is how this part of the Gambia looks in rainy season. And then just take a look at the weather. It's gloomy. Yeah, and then it can rain at any time. Yeah. This is how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia called Sinchubalia. And there's a petrol station. Guys, just take a look how muddy this road looks. It looks so muddy. Guys, the Gambia in rainy season, oh my goodness, it's something else. This road looks so bad. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here. Showing you the real life here in this part of the Gambia. Guys, I'm getting into Kunkujang Ketaya. Here is called Bohol Johnson. Yeah. Here is called Bohol Johnson. And this road leads to deep inside Kunkujang Ketaya. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying what I'm getting for you here. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. It helps YouTube to push the video to larger audience. And then don't forget to subscribe too. Yeah, let's hit 10,000 YouTube subscribers. Your subscription also really helps a lot. Yeah, it helps the growth of the channel. Yep. Let's go, guys. Guys, I just get into Kunkujang Ketaya. I begin this video from Sinchubalia. Now I'm in Kunkujang Ketaya. Yep. Guys, this is how the real life looks here. In Africa. Your boy is just randomly walking around here, capturing a 4K view. 4K view of Kunkujang Ketaya. Guys, I'm currently at a popular Johnson called 5 Johnson. This Johnson is so popular here. Here is called 5 Johnson. It's so popular here in this part of the Gambia. And then guys, I will soon end this video. Yep. Guys, I'm now getting into Sinchu allergy. Yeah. Getting into Sinchu allergy. Yeah, but I will soon end this video. I just want to show you a little bit of Sinchu allergy. Yeah. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is what I have for you in today's video here in Kunkujang and some parts of Sinchu, Balia and some other parts of Sinchu Alaji. Yeah, this is how the Gambia looks. This is how this part of the Gambia looks in rainy season. I'm out. Peace.